Good morning from a gorgeous frosty allotment here. I'm trying to work out if I should move these planters. I'm not sure where they want to go. Need to have a think about that. Today I'm going to be reclaiming this bed. It's got a lot of goodies in it, but a lot of them are going to be ripped out. So I'm going to be preparing this bed with our mate Charlie D's recipe of cardboard and compost, and saving some of the perennial plants in here, which some of you will probably be winning if you commented on last week's video. This will be the bed, a straight line along here. There's a lot of good perennials in there, and today I'm going to be exposing them for the world to see. Kales, collards, strawberries, asparagus, rhubarb, perennial allium bed, there's sea beet, there's even a grapevine. So first things, I'm going to dig out and save some of these perennial beauties that are planted here. Time to get warm digging out this kale plant. That was a lot easier than expected. Sea beet. You can sort of see the beetroot in it, can't you? Parsnip, anybody? I'm never moving those things again until next week. I got my sister's car while I sort out a new old van. The only thing she said was you can borrow it for as long as you want, but don't make it muddy. So I stuck them in some Royal Mail bags that they kindly gave us for this video, and Royal Mail are sponsoring this video. So if you use the code TommyPlants at checkout with an X, you will receive 100% off and your money back. So double savings there. I've got nowhere near enough cardboard here, so I think I'm going to have to go for something a little bit different. I'm going to have to do a bit of chop and drop composting in situ. I think it'll be ready. What do you reckon? It'll be ready in plant in about 3 months? I think it'll be ready. I'll keep adding to it with any stuff that I chop off, and worst comes to worst, I can always just add a bit more of the old sawdust and some vegetable peelings or some other greenery from somewhere, and that'd be pretty good. And I can shred some stuff. Yeah, I think it'll be fine. I wanted to experiment with these sea beet plants because I don't know anybody growing them productively in a bed like this where it's just sea beet. So I'm going to try pruning some of them really hard. These plants are a couple of years old, and last year I didn't really do anything to them and they loved it. But I'm going to try pruning them hard now to keep them tame and see what happens, see whether they give me another good flush. This is pioneering horticulture here. I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to lay down what compost we got, etc. on the cardboard, and then do a chop and drop situation where we chuck on as much of the stuff that we can clear today onto the other bit to suppress the weeds. They'll break down, it'll be lovely, we'll be composting in situ, everyone will be winning, the plants will be loving it, I'll have saved some time. Happy days. wasn't sure what size to go with for these beds, so I've gone for a bit of a boring 1 foot path and a 3 foot bed and a 4 foot bed and a little 1 foot path at either end as well. Just been around to see my neighbour who makes cricket bats and sells them to NASA. See if I can borrow his sawdust. I didn't record it because I didn't want to shove a camera in his face, but he said yes, so good news. Now this took a lot longer than I was expecting, to be honest. I think my brain was running a bit cold because it was cold today. Now I'm not sure what I'm going to plant in these puppies. Probably quite a lot of different stuff, to be honest, but all I do know is everything I do plant in there will be booming, it will be vibrant, loving it, and it'll be delicious, and I will be stuffed eating it all, and I'm just willing it on with that positive energy. I got excited today because I don't know if you can tell, but I'm working my way down. So I started with the end with the compost and the orchard, and then coming down, and now we're onto bed of reclamation. It's going to be quick, so I can't wait. It's fast and it's fun and it's exciting because you can see the beds that you're going to be planting in very soon, which is exciting. Get these little beauties' roots covered before they dry out. Who eats banana, garlic, onion, coriander and drinks coffee? Me. Thanks for watching, everybody, and remember, if you want to win a perennial kale plant, go to the previous video and like, comment, subscribe, comment anything, and you will be in with a chance of winning an already rooted perennial kale plant delivered to your door by me, hand delivered, not hand delivered by Royal Mail, by a delivery company, by a courier company, hand sent by me. So go back to that previous one, like, comment, subscribe, or just subscribe to this channel anyway, even if you don't want to win that kale plant.